Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. As you can see, I got sheared. I feel human again. It just makes me happy. Actually, I went to a brand new barbershop. They're not even a week old an opening. They did a good job. I'm quite happy. My beard's a little fuller than I normally do, but that's okay. Last night, I prepared shrimp linguine. Yeah, you know me. It was actually very good. Not only was it visually appealing, but it was very, very, very tasteful. I added just a few little things. I added a little bit of some red onion. It wasn't a little, actually, quite a bit of red onion. And I added a little bit of dried basil and a big handful of baby spinach. I'm trying to use up the baby spinach. You know me, I don't like to waste food, especially vegetables, produce. But it was very good, excellent. Definitely get this posted up for you with the notes. Tonight, I'm going super simple. What you don't know is I've been suffering from a bad back. This is going on day 3. I can already feel it. But fortunately for me, I have scheduled grilled Spam sandwiches with fries. So let's get to it. Hardware's simple. If there's another pan that'll come out, but basically a sheet pan for the French fries and a saute pan for the onions, and I'm going to pull out a non-stick for the grill. So brioche style bread, good old Spam. God, you know Spam's been around a long, long time. And it's a wonderful pork product. It is pork. A couple cheeses, American cheese and provolone. I'm going to caramelize some onions. And I'm going to be using mayonnaise, the butters for the onions, and good old Ore-Ida French fries. So here's the goodies for tonight's dinner. So on this Tuesday, which is technically Taco Tuesday, I got tacos coming down later this week. Shrimp tacos, matter of fact. Spicy shrimp tacos. So on this Taco Tuesday, if you do go out for tacos, because you don't make your own, make sure you go to your favorite taqueria. And I say that every time, because I mean it. Nothing like a great taqueria taco. Lingua. I love lingua. All right, I digress. It's supposed to be a beautiful day today, according to Mr. Bob Harlan. So, on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and always, my friends, have fun cooking.